A class is a reference type that defines the structure and behavior of objects. When an instance of a class is created, it is allocated in heap memory, and variables hold references to that memory location instead of storing the actual data. Unlike value types which store data directly in memory, class variables store a reference to an object located in heap memory. When assigning one class instance to another, both variables reference the same object, meaning changes made through one variable are reflected in the other. This behavior highlights the importance of understanding reference types, especially when dealing with mutable objects. A class can inherit from only one base class, single inheritance, but can implement multiple interfaces. Classes support encapsulation, which allows for data hiding and control over the access of class members through access modifiers, like public, private, protected. Classes can have constructors for initializing new instances and destructors for cleaning up resources when an instance is no longer needed.